Hey guys, Portia here. Today we are going to be creating our own Christmas decor. So the theme of this is pretty much a rose garland. I've seen these online for as much as like 50 bucks, but we did not spend that much. I ended up spending about $10. So I got these from the Dollar Tree as well as the Christmas ornaments from the Dollar Tree. This from Walmart, 5 bucks, and then these were $1.98. So for about $10 we are going to make our own rose garland. So let's jump right in. This is going to actually go on my banister. My banister is approximately a little over 7 feet. So what I'm going to do is just measure out our garland, and so you see it pretty much looks like a Christmas tree. It has its own little branches. We are going to be adding all the little different accents that we have in, like sort of evenly spaced all the way down here. And like I said, let's get about 7 feet. I'll go ahead and cut. Now this garland is a little itchy, so some of you may want to use gloves while working with it. It's a little irritating, but I like to feel what I'm doing, especially we're using a hot glue gun and making our little bunches and stuff, so I want to definitely be able to see what I'm doing. So I think that with the way the garland is set up, we probably should place things going in this direction. So it's going like down. So I'll start over here at this end, and we'll start placing little bunches of our arrangements. So we're gonna set that aside right now. And so I have these. I'll be breaking these up because I don't need a bunch of glitter leaves all over the place. Like I say, our little roses. So let me go ahead, pick a full one out. We're gonna clip that. I'll clip it right about here because we probably don't even need to clip it. Yeah, just take it off. And I'm definitely gonna clip these apart because I don't need all of the leaves. Just one for each bundle I do. So that's there. And I want one of these. I don't know if I'll go with the glitter ones or we'll go back and forth, but we'll see. All right, so at this point, it's like you just use your own creativity and figure out how you want to arrange. Oh, not too shabby. That looks pretty. Figure out how you want to arrange, all of your little items on your garland. And for the first one, I think this one looks really pretty, so I'm gonna stick with that. So right now, what I'm gonna do is just grab, we're gonna leave that out because I'm gonna use this to wrap around one end of the banister. So from here, let's grab our hot glue gun, which is already ready and it's been getting hot for me. Need another glue stick. All right. It's red from another project I was working on a while ago. That'll be gone soon. But yeah, let's go ahead and just pick a spot. And that's good there. And then I like this on this side. Add a little glue to this as well. I always got to have a little bling. Like I've said before, bling is my favorite color. So definitely got to have that incorporated in everything that I do. And this, I'm wondering, yeah, we can just leave that on. I'll put that right underneath there. I think that's pretty. All right. I don't know what I was doing last time. You see all that other extra stuff? But it's fine. It will be hidden. Stick that right there and fluff that out. Uh-oh. All right. I really like how that's coming out. So now what I'm going to do is just continue on. Like I said, this end is to wrap around the banister, and I'll continue on, and as we go I'll probably fluff this out just a little bit and work in groups of 3 and put on a rose, a bulb, and something glittery. So we got a couple of items to choose from here, and we'll just keep going. All right, guys, so our 7 feet are done. I went all the way around. I ended up adding, well, rather all the way down. I ended up adding about, what is this, 8 different sections. So I'll probably start at this end and then string it all the way down the banister, along the side of the banister, not the top, but the side. So yeah, let's just go take a look and see how it's going to look on our banister. All right, so there we have it, our rose garland in all of its glittery glory. I am so pleased with the results. I had never tried anything like this before, but like I said, I saw it online. It was $50 and ended up getting a very similar effect for only $10. So yeah, if you got any questions, concerns, emotional outbursts, let me know. If you haven't done so already, go ahead and subscribe to Color Me Portia. But until next time, peace.